We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In British English, it's said as theatre, theatre, stress on the first syllable. In American English, it's rather pronounced as theater, theater. You could almost consider that the second syllable, especially in American English, is silent. Some simply skip it and say theater, 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 or theater, theater, or theater. While British English, theater. And now you know. Could you hear the difference? Like this video if you found it useful. Let me know in the comments what you thought. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.